Hi, in this video we are going to discuss bilingual model question paper for standard 2 which carries 50 marks. Orals we have for 20 marks and written for 30 marks. So totally we have essay 1 for 50 marks. Let's see the question paper now. It's a bilingual model question paper. Subject Maths, class 2. So first we are going to discuss the oral question paper for 20 marks. First one is identify the following as indicated by comparing. So you can find pictures here. So the first one, the child has to indicate or show which is heavier. The second, the child has to compare and tell which is taller. The child has to compare and tell which is more. So this is for 6 marks. Child has to compare and show as indicated, carrying for 6 marks. Let's move to the second one. Here we find the statement sums which carries 2 marks for each question. Find the sum. Rama has 6 apples. Sita gives 3 apples to Rama. Find the total number of apples with Rama. So this carries 2 marks. The child has to find the sum. 5 plus 3, 8. So this is for 2 marks. Second one, the child has to find the difference. You have 10 pencils with you. You have 10 pencils with you. If you give your friend 5 pencils, how many pencils are left over with you? So the child mentally calculates the sum and answer the questions. So totally for 2 questions you have 4 marks. Moving on to the next question. Identify the pictures and name the geometrical figures. So you can find the geometrical figures here. The child is supposed to identify them and name their geometrical names. So this is for 8 marks. Next oral question. Answer the following. This is for 2 marks. When 3 is subtracted from 10, we get. When 3 is subtracted from 10, we get dash. When 5 is added to 4, we get dash. So the child has to mentally calculate and answer to the question that carries 2 marks. So 20 marks for orals. Now let's move to the written questions. So written questions are for 30 marks. Group the objects as indicated. So you find the objects here. Here the child is indicated to group the objects or circle the objects in 4s, and here the child is supposed to circle in 6 or group in 6. So marks are 4 marks here. Next question. Look at the pattern and fill up the blanks. So here the patterns are given. The child has to think over the next figure and fill the pattern. So we have 5 patterns given here. The child has to proceed with the patterns and fill the blanks. So this is for 10 marks. Next question. Color the pictures. So you can find the picture here using geometrical figures. So identifying the shapes, the child has to color them. So circle has to be colored with red, triangle with blue, rectangle with green, square with yellow. So totally 5 marks for this question. The child has to identify the shape and color the geometrical shapes. Next question. Find the total. The child is supposed to add the numbers and find the total. So totally there are 5 sums for 5 marks. Moving to the next one. Find the difference. So totally you have 4 sums here. The child has to subtract and find the difference. This is for 4 marks. So let's have at a look of the entire question paper. Let us glance once again. So this is the first main question, second main question, third main question, fourth main question, fifth main question. Coming to the return, first main question, second main question, third question, fourth question, fifth question. So totally 50 marks question paper for essay 1. Thank you.